We all took a moment this morning to capture a few images of the moon from different views. The moon's going to be even closer the night of August 30th due to it being the second full moon in the same month. It will be what's called a blue moon. You know, once every blue moon, Honey? Yeah.
It's time.
It's the last of two full supermoons. They graced the sky in the same month. Last time this happened was back in 2018.
I feel that
cool stuff.
I looked very suspicious trying to get my moonshot this morning because I'm like near my neighbor's house and then I'm in the parking lot of a strip mall.
I just pulled over like 3rd Avenue South, downtown Birmingham. Nothing,
suspicious.
Everything's fine, folks. Don't worry.
Yeah, we were just taking pictures of the sky.
Yeah.
One cool phenomenon I was able to catch with mine is there was a ring around the moon, a halo, a 22-degree halo, and usually when you see that, that's a sign that rain is going to be back in the forecast, and indeed it is tomorrow. Right now, though, you can just see a little bit of the supermoon left here in our Tuscaloosa shot this morning. Temperatures there in Tuscaloosa at 70 degrees now, and live look over in Coleman, there's the supermoon as begins to set, looking off to the west there. Temperatures coming in 64 degrees. That sounds pretty nice, doesn't it, with some calm winds up there across Coleman County. 64 also Jasper, Hamilton, Fayette at 68. We're at 70 in Birmingham and Alabaster now with 63, our cool spot in Gadsden. 60 is all over eastern part of Alabama, back down to the Clanton area too. And we do have just a few high clouds up top, but it's outside of that, though, pretty quiet weather for us this morning as the less humid air remains in place. But here's our old front. Yeah, that's the one that brought us the nice weather. It's going to move back north as a warm front tomorrow and bring back the humid weather, and then allow all these big storms here off to the north kind of to ride along that front and come on into our area, and they'll tap into the really hot and humid conditions too. Dew point's about 65 today. That's not too bad. It's a little muggy, but when they climb up to 75, that's in the dangerous category, but that just basically means there's a lot of moisture out there, and any rain we get could get heavy tomorrow. Today, though, a lot of sunshine, looking pretty good with the less humid air. 93 degrees by 4 o'clock. If you're going out for that walk or run, keep that in mind. 94 Alabaster to Fayette, 95 Tuscaloosa, 92 Gadsden, Anderson, back to Talladega, Asheville, Springville, Clanton area as well. And the heat index a couple degrees higher than the actual air temperature. This is pretty nice for all of our visitors here in town. Not normal for us here. Big heat index over 100, that's normal. And here it comes back in full force for the weekend with highs getting into the mid-90s. But we're also watching these clusters of storms here to the north. If you notice kind of a clockwise pattern here with these storms kind of diving from Omaha to St. Louis and eventually down here in Birmingham. That's all thanks to this upper level high, which is going to retreat to the west. And those storms will have the opportunity to go from St. Louis into Birmingham starting tomorrow. And some of these could get on the strong side as well too tomorrow, with a chance of rain around 60%. Then 40% chance as we get through Friday and the upcoming weekend. But there is a level 1 risk here for some severe weather tomorrow, for some gusty winds, heavy rain as well too. So you need to watch out for that and keep yourself weather aware during the day tomorrow. On Futurecast, you'll notice again that northerly flow bringing the rain in. A few showers at lunchtime, but here come the storms around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They'll continue south through the evening hours. By 7 o'clock, they're wrapping up. Quiet weather overnight into tomorrow, Friday morning, and we'll be dealing with some more storms arriving by Friday afternoon. They also could be strong with some gusty winds out there as well too. So we'll keep an eye on that for Thursday and Friday. And temperatures back in the mid-90s this weekend. The chance of rain around 40%, but look at the heat index back over 105. So take it easy if you're going to be out and about.